Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a simple present tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 7, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. She always dash her homework before dinner. The correct option is does. She always does her homework before dinner. Question 2. We usually dash watch TV after school. The correct option is don't. We usually don't watch TV after school. Question 3. Dash your brother ever help you with your projects? The correct option is does. Does your brother ever help you with your projects? Question 4. My parents dash in London, but they travel often. The correct option is live. My parents live in London, but they travel often. Question 5. He dash goes to bed early. He's always awake past midnight. The correct option is never. He never goes to bed early. He's always awake past midnight. Question 6. Why dash they always arrive late? The correct option is do. Why do they always arrive late? Question 7. My best friend dash coffee. She only drinks tea. The correct option is doesn't like. My best friend doesn't like coffee. She only drinks tea. Question 8. How often dash you visit your grandparents? The correct option is do. How often do you visit your grandparents? Question 9. This shop dash open on Sundays. The correct option is doesn't. This shop doesn't open on Sundays. Question 10. We sometimes dash breakfast in the garden. The correct option is have. We sometimes have breakfast in the garden. Question 11. Dash it often snow in this town. The correct option is does. Does it often snow in this town? Question 12. My little sister dash swim very well yet. The correct option is can't. My little sister can't swim very well yet. Question 13. They rarely dash to the cinema, they prefer staying home. The correct option is go. They rarely go to the cinema, they prefer staying home. Question 14. The library dash hundreds of old books. The correct option is has. The library has hundreds of old books. Question 15. I dash like spicy food, but I sometimes eat it. The correct option is don't. I don't like spicy food, but I sometimes eat it. Question 16. My parents dash never late for school meetings. The correct option is are. My parents are never late for school meetings. Question 17. Where dash your cousins usually spend their holidays? The correct option is do. Where do your cousins usually spend their holidays? Question 18. She always dash a glass of milk before bed. The correct option is has. She always has a glass of milk before bed. Question 19. How many languages dash your mother speak? The correct option is does. How many languages does your mother speak? Question 20. I usually dash my phone in my bag. The correct option is keep. I usually keep my phone in my bag. Question 21. He dash play the guitar very well. The correct option is can. He can play the guitar very well. Question 22. She dash visit us very often, maybe once a year. The correct option is doesn't. She doesn't visit us very often, maybe once a year. Question 23. Who usually dash the dishes after dinner? The correct option is washes. Who usually washes the dishes after dinner? Question 24. I dash enjoy reading before bed. It relaxes me. The correct option is always. I always enjoy reading before bed. It relaxes me. Question 25. Your friends dash ever call you late at night, do they? The correct option is don't. Your friends don't ever call you late at night, do they? That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye.